Alright, we're cleaning 3 rooms today. We're out near Zephyr, Texas.
We're doing a
Frieze carpet, yeah. And it's pretty, it's not stained real bad or anything, so it's kind of it's not going to be anything really impressive on video, but...
Friezes are easy to clean until you get to the areas where they're matted. Everywhere there's a traffic lane, a Frieze carpet will mat down. And when you get into the matted areas where it's like a saddle blanket, that's when they become hard to clean. But as long as you're messing with fluffy fibers, it's great.
Okay, keep in mind, this machine's an orbital. It's not just rotating. It spins in an elliptical pattern. And what it does, it cleans all sides of the carpet fiber each time it goes over.
It orbits at 30 orbits per second.
Yeah. So, and it does clean all the way to the base of the carpet. But it's gentle, it will not tear up the carpets, so it's a great method to use.
Now, we're the only people in this part of, in Central Texas that use this method. So the customers out here have never seen it done. They're used to truck mount steam cleaners, and so we're still introducing this to the area.
Oh, and for you guys in Australia that were talking about these, I'm trying to find someone in Australia that carries them, because they used to be available and now they're really hard to get. Of course, you guys know everything costs you 30 times more money to get it there, so. But I'll try to remember to put a link for Amazon UK. I think they still have them. They at least are carrying parts for them.
And remember, if you're buying one, buy it from us.
Yes. Always buy from us.
Always buy your products from us.
I'll put a link.
We sell everything. We sell cars, houses, everything.
I'll put a link in the description for you. Now these are just standard Oreck bonnets we're using. We tried the Iron Man bonnets, and I mean they're better on some carpets, but on most of the stuff we do, we don't notice a difference. So
I don't like them because they fill up too fast.
Yeah, we have to change them out too often.
I'll shut this door just enough to get behind it. Now the customer's hanging out watching. We told her she's more than welcome to because she's paying for the job. She's probably not going to want to get on camera, but we're doing this while the customer. A lot of times customers don't care what we're doing; they just want their carpets done.
Yeah, you just get away from me and don't bother me.
Get it done and get out of my house quick.
Yeah, are you still here?
But some customers, they like to see the stuff, so and it's fine. Oh yeah, this thing here will help. I mean, if it's matted beyond repair, you can't fix it. But if it's when the fibers are just laid over, it'll stand them up.
Until we wear them back down.
Go over here. Yeah, until they wear back down. Now, what you could do is get a rake. Tell her about the groomer.
Oh, you can buy carpet rakes. If you have like a plastic leaf rake, you can just fluff the carpets up with that, and it's really good. And plus, if you got hairs in the carpet, like long hair and stuff, it'll plump it all up for you, so you don't get it stuck in your vacuum cleaner.
Hey Joe, do me a favor. Pull the cord a little bit.
Okay.
Give me about 3 feet. It's hanging up on something.
There you go. Okay, so this isn't going to be too bad. It's a pretty simple deal.
On the carpets, I don't know if you see it on video, depending on how dark it is on the camera, but they're coming out nice.
Yeah.
They're brightening up, and that's what you want them to do. They go from dull to bright, and that's cleaning.
Yeah, we'll one day we're going to shoot another video where we show when we clean the bonnet out, when we spray it out with the water, and it's going to. I mean, they're always like lots of black water comes out of them.
Mounds of water. Yeah, if you put them in a 5-gallon bucket, it'll turn the bucket water black. They always do. They absorb. They're 1-inch thick bonnets. They absorb everything.
Okay. So these carpets should be dry in about an hour, depending. It's kind of a humid day, so
what I like to do is
take a little longer.
If I know it's a solid traffic lane, sometimes I'll hit it twice just to make sure I did it the best I could.
I'm gonna pause the camera here because we're getting ready to move to another room. Depending on the lighting, what more I'm gonna video, but
it is clean.
Yeah, unless the video ends right here, we're gonna video a couple more rooms. So stay tuned. All right, we're in a second room here. Same carpet.
Yeah, it's Frieze throughout the whole house.
And this is the carpet that they keep up with it really nice. So it's a good reminder too. Get your carpets cleaned. Don't wait till they're completely dirty to get them cleaned, because a lot of times your carpet's already ruined by that point.
Well,
Try to maintain
they're a lot
them.
easier to keep up with than to fix.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better. You spend a lot of money for carpets, so it's a good investment to just get them cleaned once a year at least, and
Now,
keep
you
up
guys
with
that
them.
watch our channel, you know we do a lot of trash carpets, so
Yeah.
we
Mostly it's
appreciate-
rental houses
We
and
appreciate
stuff.
stuff like this, because
Oh yeah, it's
when
nice.
someone calls me on the phone, I was like, well, it's gonna be a dirty one, because they always are, and this is like.
Hey Jay, right in here,
Hang on.
right in here, there's some overspray from some painting. You might just hit that area a little bit harder.
Right. See what I can do to it. Some overspray, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes paint will come out. You never know. Sometimes you need a solvent, but it depends on what. Maybe we'll get lucky. It's water based, huh?
Yeah, I think it probably is.
It is coming out. I think
Yeah.
the paint may come out. Well, if it did, that's good.
Everybody has their lucky days, huh?
Oh yeah. Even a blind hog will find an acorn every now and then. Isn't that what they say?
Something like that. I'll give you guys a shot out the window. We're out in the middle of,
Kind of out in the country a little bit.
out in the country.
Out of town, about 6-7 miles.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice out here. You don't hear all the noise of people screaming, hollering, and all that other stuff.
Of course, we drive a smart car, so coming out here is risky, because you never know when you're going to have to start walking with one of those. So make sure and ask. I'll be happy to answer questions if you have any in the comment section. Be polite. Be nice.
If you're not polite, we'll block you.
Or you'll be gone.
So just be cool.
Yep.
We're cool, you be cool.
Make sure and if you are interested in carpet cleaning, just even like to clean your own house, make sure and join our Facebook group, VLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge. I'll put a link in the video description. And we've got everybody from people that just like to watch carpet cleaning videos, all the way up to.
I'm not about to start mentioning the names of the people. We'll leave someone out.
Yeah.
But there's.
Well, if we mention someone famous, they'll leave the group.
The big names in the business are in there.
Oh yeah, it's growing, and.
It's a group where nobody's rude to nobody. It's a very.
Oh yeah, we make sure everybody's nice
We
and
keep it well
polite.
maintained. It's
a friendly place.
No foul language. No fighting.
And everybody's welcome. You don't even have to be into carpet cleaning at all.
No.
And we also have a vacuum group
If you just
for
have
people
a
like
love
vacuum
for it,
cleaners.
Come on in.
Yep, everybody's welcome, and just go in there and hang out. And I put up movies. I'll share like YouTube movies and stuff on the afternoons and things sometimes, and you can go and everybody can watch a movie together. So we do all sorts of weird stuff. Yeah.
When we know people are sitting around, we'll share an old Paul Newman movie.
Yeah, if I'm bored, I know everybody else is probably bored. I'm a Paul's. He's got to pre-spray the next room, and we're going to clean that carpet. So stay tuned. All right, we're in the last little room here. Show you what we got. We got great lighting over here a little bit. It's going to be a little dark over here. I'll try to show what I can. It's kind of small in here.
Yeah, it's not raining outside, but it's just a
It's
little
cloudy.
bit dark.
Overcast out. All right. Now, since it's a little overcast, yeah, there's a lot more humidity in the air, and so these carpets still should be dry in about an hour.
Or less.
But just keep in mind when you're doing carpets on if the air is saturated at all with moisture, it's going to affect your drying times. And one thing when you're doing VLM is that you can sell people on the really fast dry times, and it's a real positive for people. A lot of times if we're doing like an office where they have people working in the office, that's a real plus, is that we can get the carpets where they can start walking on them pretty quick.
Check cashing centers and insurance offices and all that, and they like the fact that we don't interrupt their business, and the carpets dry quick.
And the machine's quiet, and so it doesn't disturb people while they're working. Now we're noisy because we talk, but we could be quiet if we have to. But this is a nice method if you're going to clean during the daytime when people have their businesses open, because you can zip around a showroom area or something like that and not really be in the way too much. there. Okay, I'm gonna get over here, then I'm gonna get stuck at some point. Have to do some dancing to get out the way. Well, it's nice to have good carpets that are easy to clean compared to a lot of the stuff. We put a video up a few days ago, and it was one of those carpets that's basically ruined, and there's nothing you can do with it. And a lot of times you just don't put those videos up because it just people won't understand. Hey, there's nothing you can do with a carpet like that. But we put one up finally because, you know, of course it's inviting plenty of people to comment and say stuff like you don't know what you're doing, all but you know, just showing people, because a lot of people are trying to clean carpets and they run into a bad one and they get discouraged, and just so they know it happens to everybody. Okay, I'll try to show this.
Yeah, we put up one the other day that was totally a ruin. I mean, a ruin.
It was a big bomb.
It needed to be pulled out and new carpet in, but they wanted it clean, so we cleaned it, and it turned out really good
Compared to what it was. Well, see, there's jobs that there's a lot of times we'll turn a job down because it's like it's too far gone and there's no point.
Well, yeah, it's like
because if the customer's going to be completely disappointed at the end of the job, yeah, it's not going to look good for you anyway. So
when
you
the
might as well just pass on
they
it.
have rips and tears in them. They got bleach all through them, and
Oh, yeah.
about 1 million red stains. It's like, are you sure you want us to charge you for this? Because it's going to cost a fortune. We can be inexpensive and we can be very expensive. So we try to save our customers the expense of an expensive cleaning.
Okay, we're about done here in 3 rooms, no muss, no fuss. Check the links for.
Wait, let's go see the first room real quick.
Check the video description for all the links.
Follow me through the house.
See if we can get there.
Yeah.
Try not to slide.
Let's see if we got some dry carpet or not yet. They're very close. They'll be dry in a few minutes.
They've got the ceiling fans on and everything, so.
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And until next time. Well, now I can't say thanks for watching because I already said it. But anyway, that's all for this one. We'll see you guys later. Bye.